Conjunctions. A conjunction is a word used to connect words, phrases, or clauses. The words and, but, and, or are the three very common conjunctions. Example: Bilal and Rehan went to school. Here the conjunction and joins two words, Bilal, Rehan. Some conjunctions are made up of more than one word. Not only was Harris famous but also rich. You can go either today or the day after tomorrow. List of some often used conjunctions: as, if, though, because, as soon as, so sooner, then, both and, before, in order that, since, and for.